Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a unboxing. I have a Universal Premium seat cover. I don't even know if this is going to fit my Avalon, because you guys know that from the 2008 to the 12 Avalon is huge, and I don't know if this is going to fit. My sister had bought it for me for Christmas, and I never like open it really. Well, I did open it, but I don't really remember if I actually took it out or whatever. But it said slip resistant, and it said easy slip, sorry, easy slip on, and it said four piece set. I don't know if you guys could see it. So I'm in my Avalon right now, and I should have turned on the car and turned on the AC really, but I didn't. I don't know why I said the four piece probably meant for the two front seats. I don't know if you guys could see. This seat should be worse than the other one, but the seat over here, you can see right here is already showing the cushion, the spongy area, like the leather is actually getting eat up. So I guess I'm gonna put the cover on that side as well too. So of course it's gonna come with these pins. I don't know what they're for yet, because the other one that I remember, the other seat cover, didn't really come with all this extra stuff. Well, you know. Alright, so this is probably the slip-on, the headrest for the headrest right here, and I guess it's for any size, any side. So I'm sorry about that little blur coming. I got a crack on my camera, so that's what you guys seeing. So to slip on, I'm gonna guess it's like so. Easy slip on. Yeah, that was easy, no biggie. That was easy. And as for this part, they have some kind of cushion in here. I don't even know what this cushion is for inside. Like, I don't even think it's supposed to be removed. They have some type of cushion in here. I don't think it's supposed to be removed, so it's staying there. Yeah, you can't remove it. And is this the bottom piece or what? Have to be, right? Okay, so I'm guessing it's like this. Since they say easy slip on, and back here you have like a thing that you could stick it or extend it. So I guess it's easy, an easy slip on, as what they said, what they say. So I don't even know what I'm gonna label this video as. Installing new what you call it, new seat cover. Installing new seat cover. So yeah, over here, just like so, just like that. Put that to the back. Move this charger right here, and I guess you gotta like, so I don't know how you're gonna. Well, it is stretchy. Yeah, it is stretchy, so I guess I'm gonna have to do it. It's raining too, sorry about that. Turn on the car real quick. I can feel a vibration. I need motor mounts. Turn on the AC because it's getting hot and it's sweaty. The sweater that I have on is not doing no justice. No justice with the sweater at all. But yeah, it's an easy slip on, as what they say. You know, that was quick and easy. And just the bottom piece guess I'm gonna have to like try to fit it. I guess I'm gonna have to fit the two straps like go underneath the vehicle, like underneath the vehicle part. See, the one strap is right here and the other strap is over here. Not underneath the vehicle, but you guys know what I'm talking about. Like try to maneuver it underneath the seats basically. So this is one strap and the other strap is right here, and I gotta like pull it and let it, like, you know, stretch so it could cover the seat basically. That's what I'm gonna have to do. So far so good. It's pretty easy so far how I got it so far, and I'm thinking that the hardest part is just going to be for the to get it underneath, get the straps underneath. That's probably going to be the hardest part. Well, other than that, seems like a piece of cake to me. Right? Yeah, not bad. Well, she got it for me for my Christmas, and I just did a quick installation. Not too bad. Well, tell me guys what you think. Would you get it? Well, it's not too bad. Till I get it properly installed, I'll see how it turns out, of course. Yeah, I'll see how that turns out when I get it. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate the love and the support. Peace, bye-bye, take care, and God bless. Until I upload another video, I need to get me some serious work done on my car. I do need a new axle. On the passenger side, I need 2 new tires in the front. I also need all brand new motor mounts. One on the bottom one on the transmission side, the bottom one on the passenger side of the engine, the middle one in the front, and the dog bone mount that's at the top on the passenger side. I need all brand new mounts, and I'm gonna need the alignment, of course, and get everything installed. After I get everything installed, and I should be back on the road. Man. But yeah, that's all I gotta share with you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate the love and support. Peace, bye-bye, take care, and God bless. Until I upload another video. Do my best to like try to strap it up. Hopefully I can get it. I gotta wait until this rain stop, because as you can see, it's raining. So I gotta wait till the rain stop to, you know, put it together properly and see how it plays out, see how it's gonna hold up and everything. But yeah, peace, bye-bye, take care, and God bless. Thank you for tuning in. Enjoy y'all day. Peace, bye-bye, and take care. Oh yeah, and also I forgot to mention, I have a coolant leak, and it's coming from like in the middle of the passenger, not the passenger, the driver's side. First I thought it was my water pump, but I checked over there, no leak coming from there. I was trying my best to check the hoses, so I don't know if it's coming from internal leak. I don't know, but it's mostly on the driver's side, like in the middle part. So I don't know. I gotta get it checked out. So I do have a slight coolant leak. I gotta get that checked out before it get worse, of course. So yeah, and I'll give you guys an update when I get all that stuff done. Peace. Bye bye. Take care.